Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of handmade designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains very beautiful, unique and elegant design patterns in itself. That is, you guys have heard me right. Today's video collection is based on tassel embroidery designs. You have heard a lot about tassels on the dupatta, shawl, stoller, sari, pallu, corners. Even you have seen tassel onto the slit of different type of stitch patterns of neckline, but you have never heard before that how we can use tassel embroidery for making our embroidery pattern more creative and beautiful. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos and comments in the comment section that which design you like the most. So guys, different type of stylized patterns, that is side neckline embroidery, blouse embroidery, back neck embroidery, bot neck embroidery, short or medium length shirts, bodycon dresses, traditional style kurti designs, and different stylized traditional patterns with the help of different type of other handworks like mirror work have been used to make the tassel embroidery more beautiful and unique. The funky and creative patterns and color combination of threads make this very beautiful and more creative pattern. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And in the comment section, let us know that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, keep supporting us and keep loving us because with your love and support, we can continue to grow. And we always appreciate your love in the form of subscribers. So thank you so much for watching.